Hello, everybody. Welcome to Mr. Dreaming is Believing Accessible Tech. Today, we are going to install Microsoft Accessibility Insights for Windows. I opened a browser and I'm going to accessibilityinsights.io. I press enter, and here you see the two flavors for web and for Windows. We already used the extension for web. The for web is a browser extension, but today we are going to install the version for Windows. Let's click on Learn More. You have the descriptions, what's the difference, why it's needed, and for some automated tests, this tool is really needed. So click on Downloads, and we are clicking on Download for Windows. Start downloading. I open the MSI. Okay, next. I read the terms and conditions. I accept it. I press next. I keep the standard folder. I press next. And I click on start installing. I accept again. I click on finish. When the application is opened, I can go to a short getting started video and I give a notice with the shortcuts and I have the check show this window on startup. For now, I'm going to keep it. We can uncheck this later. I click on get started. We are seeing different things we can expect. We can load tests, we can make tests, we can go to some labs and tabs. And have some tools like the color contrast analyzer, and we can sign in if we want, and we can go to additional settings like for example changing the shortcuts. So this is Microsoft Accessibility Insight for Windows, and we will start testing stuff very soon in other blogs. Thank you for watching, and always, Mr. Dreaming is believing accessible tech wants the world more accessible.